Hello, fabulous people. This is Teacher Melanie with VIPKID, and today I want to share with you the pros and cons of VIPKID payment plan. So, first thing I want to go over the pros, the good things of VIPKID. So, I'm not ignoring you. I'm just looking at my notes. So, first thing, you get paid to teach 25 to 28 minutes of teaching. Okay, that's how much you get paid. That is your best pay, which could be between $8 or more, depending on, or less, give or take $8 or more or less, depending on your experience and what degrees you have. So your teaching time, how much you get paid, is between 25 to 28 minutes teaching. Another pro is that you get paid 100% of what you taught each month. Okay? And so what is 100%? 100% is considered you taught, you finish your class. That's called as scheduled. You get paid for system problems. So say something happens with the system on VIPKID, you're still going to get paid 100% of that because there's no fault of your own. You get paid for student no-shows. So if your student doesn't show, with the exception, and I'll talk about that in a second, of trial students, but if your student is a major class, you get paid 100%. Okay? You also get paid for student IT problems. You get 100%. So you get 100% for when you teach your class. You get 100% if the student doesn't show up. You get 100% if there's a system IT problem or there is a student IT problem. You get 100% for teaching what? 25 to 28 minutes. If it's a trial class, okay, you get paid 50%. So instead of getting maybe $8 in a major class, you will get $4 because it's trial class. You know, they're just testing out the waters. So you get paid $4 if the child doesn't show for a trial class. So you do get something. Something is better than nothing. Okay, now that's just the base. So what another pro is that you get a monthly incentive. So when you finish your class, or if there was a system problem, student IT problem, student didn't show, you get a bonus. So the bonuses could be between $2 to $4 extra a month per class. So what do I mean for that? So say, for example, you finished your class that you taught for 25 minutes. After you finish, you get your best pay, your base pay could be about $8. Then you will get your finished class bonus, which is an extra $1. And then you'll get another little bonus if you have between 44 classes you've taught or less, you get 50 cents. If you've taught 45 classes and more, you get an extra $1. So you can get, let's show you here on my little board. So if you've taught 44 classes or less, your monthly incentive each time you finish your class is $1.50. Okay, it's $1.50. Now, if you've taught 45 classes or more, your monthly, your incentive for each class that you finish, system problems, student no-shows, whatever it might be, you get an extra $2. Okay? So you're trying to get to those little extra bonus. Oh, so another pro is, say for example, you're on 45. Okay, let's do that. Say you've taught you up to your 45 classes. You're getting your extra 2. You're getting your base pay, and somebody at the last minute books you. You also get an extra $2. So you can get actually up to $4 extra bonus for whether it is for short notices. Okay, that is for short notices. So you get your extra $2, your base pay. So that's why. So for every half an hour or 25 minutes classes, your base pay runs up to about, give or take, depending on what scale you fall on, could be $10 or it could be $12, which gives you that, you see where it says, oh, you make up to $14 or $24. That depends on your base pay, because as I said, it's 25, so it's 25 to 30 minutes of teaching. Okay, so that's how the pro of VIP Kid, your incentives. Now, what are the cons? The con is you get paid once a month. So if you're not good at budgeting, this is a time to learn how to budget yourself, because with VIP Kid, you only get paid once a month, and you get paid about the 15th, maybe 14th, give or take, the month. Another pro is that depending on your banking, your bank can charge a transfer fee for once they send you your pay. So you need to find out about what type of banking you have, so they won't charge you that little fee. Some does, some doesn't. So you just have to kind of find out. And I'll talk about that a little bit in a different video as far as what the transfer fee could be. You don't get paid for teacher no-shows. You don't get paid for teacher cancellation. However, you not only do not get paid, but they take money from you. So if you have a teacher no-show, you get a deduction. Okay? Your teacher no-show is $10. Okay? They deduct you $10. Okay? And which you kind of figure out why. Okay? So they'll deduct you $10. If you happen to say, oh my goodness, I need to cancel a class, it's 24 hours or more, then they will deduct you, but it's only $2. So you want to make sure that your cancellations are 24 hours or more. So if a student has booked you and you have to cancel, you're only getting deducted $2. What happens if your cancellation is you canceled a class, it wasn't a teacher no-show, but you had to cancel a class, and it was less than 24 hours. So if it was 2 hours or less, okay, you get deducted you get deducted $2. Okay. But if your cancellation, once again, they take that money. As I said, you want to make sure your cancellation is more than 24 hours. So you can only get $2 deducted as opposed to $10 deducted. Also, as I said, teacher no-shows, repeat again, teacher no-shows or cancellations that are 2 hours or less, you get deducted $10. If it's 24 hours or more, you get deducted $2. So you want to make sure that you plan, because life happens. Listen, I've had to have one. As a matter of fact, I had a teacher no-show because I had overslept. And I actually forgot that I had the class. I didn't hear my alarm, but thank God. Yeah, hey, I mean, it is what it is. I just hustled my way for the rest of the month for that $10. Okay, so those are some of the pros and cons of VIP Kid. And if you have not joined us on this wonderful teaching adventure, teaching from home, teaching wonderful Chinese kids English, please click on my referral link. If you have any questions, by all means, you can email me, leave a comment, and I will respond to your comment. And if you also, one of the things that you do need to have a degree in every area, and that you've taught something with children with at least 1 year experience. So my link is below. Whatever way I can help you, assist you on this adventure, by all means, please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. I do videos at least once a week to just talk about different things and aspects. Sometimes it may be more, but at least once a week. So remember, this is Teacher Melanie with VIP Kid, and make it a great day on this adventure. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and thumbs up on this video. So make it a great day. Bye.